Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a complete meal. Creamy garlic chicken with pasta and charred broccoli. All the ingredients and measurements are right below the video in the description section. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. You can use breasts and reduce the cooking time. Thinly sliced garlic, butter and olive oil, all-purpose flour, and chicken stock for the sauce, flat leaf parsley, broccoli florets. Just cut them with a flat end like this, so they'll sit on the pan and get nicely charred. To season the chicken, we'll need some salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and dried thyme. Mix the spices and put them on the chicken. Add all-purpose flour. Mix that up. The flour will give the chicken a nice coating. Heat up a wide pan. Pour in olive oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. Add the chicken pieces. Cook until golden brown. In the meantime, heat up a pot with water to cook the pasta. Turn the chicken over and cook until golden brown. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Remove the pieces and put the second batch on. Swirl the oil around to coat the bottom. I think my floors are a bit uneven. Put the chicken on a plate and set aside. Lower the heat and add the sliced garlic. Cook until soft. Add the flour. Stir and cook for about 30 seconds. Pour in the chicken stock little by little, stirring to make sure there are no lumps. If you have it, add some fresh thyme leaves, ground black pepper, and salt. Stir and cook for a minute. Put the chicken into the sauce along with any juices from the plate. Give it a stir. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes or until the chicken is tender. If you're using breasts, they just need a minute since they'll already be cooked after browning. The water has come to a boil. Add salt and pasta. I'm using thin spaghetti. Substitute angel hair or regular spaghetti. By the time the chicken is cooked, so will the pasta. The chicken is tender. Add some butter. That's the alarm for the pasta. This sauce is absolutely delicious. Chopped parsley. You don't have to drain the pasta separately. Just use a slotted pasta fork and put the pasta right into the sauce. The sauce is silky smooth and coats the pasta nicely. Heat up a pan to cook the broccoli. To the broccoli, add salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and olive oil. Mix that up. Put them cut side down. It's so simple to make broccoli this way, you won't even believe how tasty it is. Cast iron pan gets really hot. So make sure you char and don't burn the broccoli. This is perfect. It should be brown like this, but not black. This takes just about 2 minutes on one side, and then you can turn it over. If your pan is too hot, turn the heat down. With cast iron, I start on medium and then turn it down to medium low if the food is browning too quickly. You need to cook it for 2 more minutes on the other side and it'll be done. I like to eat it just like this, very simply, but if you want, after you take the broccoli off the pan, add some grated Parmesan or pecorino romano on top. It's already brown and our broccoli is ready. I'm going to remove these. Turn the heat off for a minute, put some vegetable oil down, and wipe the bottom. Because I don't want any black bits on the next batch of broccoli. A little more oil. Turn the heat back on and put the rest of the broccoli down. Again, cast iron stays really hot, so even if you turn the pan off for a minute or 2, it's fine. You can of course do this in a non-stick pan if you'd like, if you don't have cast iron. I love cast iron because there's no harmful coating and it's pretty much like a non-stick pan, and it becomes more non-stick the more you use it. If you want to know how to take care of cast iron or want to see my review of cast iron pans, I'll put a link below. The video is on my other channel, Best Kitchen Reviews. I'm going to eat this one because I can't resist. It's so good. The char just makes it. This is my daughter's favorite way to eat broccoli. I bet even the pickiest eaters who don't like broccoli will eat it this way. If you just give a kid a bowl of steamed broccoli, they're not going to eat it because it's kind of gross for a kid. I don't mind it as an adult, but as a kid, you like crispy things, brown things, charred things. Second batch is done. That looks really good. Broccoli's crisp tender, a nice deep charred flavor, really yummy. This broccoli took exactly 4 minutes to cook. I don't think there's a faster and tastier broccoli dish than this one. I wish I could feed you this through the screen. It's that good. The sauce is so creamy and rich, and we didn't add any milk or cream or cheese. It's just the chicken stock, the olive oil, a little bit of butter, and it's a really hearty, comforting dish for the cooler weather. As always, I hope you guys try this recipe and tell me how you like it. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time with more easy recipes that you're actually going to make. Thanks for watching.